Hi everyone, welcome back. I have some more BTS to unbox, so let's get to it. Let's look at the top one. That's my Senegal parrot, Julius, that's saying, he was saying, hey baby. That's some of the words he's learned. Oh wow, I've got J-Hope, Standy, and Min Yoongi, Standy. Yoongi isn't covered up like Hobie is here. He has like a covering over him, but not Yoongi. Wait, on the back he does, okay. So yeah, I got two little standees of a couple of my biases from BTS. I would like to get all 7 of them, but maybe sometime I'll get the other guys when I can. But that's them right here. I guess I'll open Yoongi. Let's get him out of here. Yeah, these look pretty nice. They're pretty tall too. I mean, you can't tell by this video the size of these, but I'll put it in my hand. That way you can kind of maybe tell. So that's the size. I'll put it at the bottom of my hand. So that's, hopefully you can judge by that. Okay. So yeah, I got to peel this little film that they got on here to protect it. When they ship it, items, you know, they protect it so it won't get scratched. So there's the base, and that looks really cool. Has the BTS logo. All right, let's peel the film off the top of the Mr. Yoongi here. Can we get it? Can I get it? There we go. All right. Oh, that looks nice. There's his name down there, his stage name, Suga. All right, so I can put him in his little base here. Sits in there perfectly. Yeah, it looks nice. So I'll get a look at it from a different angle in a few minutes. All right, let's get J-Hope out of his plastic here. His birthday was just a few days ago. I celebrated that and shared the video of me kind of celebrating his birthday up on Madonna Paradise Unboxings. I put it on that channel to get a little bit more views. Wow, yeah, he looks good. I like it. Love his attire, what he's wearing. There's his name, J-Hope. So Jung Ho Sek is his real name, but that's the stage name is J-Hope, of course. All right, let's open this film and get it off of this. Shouldn't take that long. There we go, got it right off. Now I can stick him on his base. All right, smooth, right on there. And he's about the same size as Yoongi, or a little bit, actually maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. Forgot to measure him in my hand there, but I think maybe they're about the same size. And we'll get another angle, another look from a different angle here. Here's a more level look than looking from the top. So yeah, J-Hope stands a little bit taller, of course, because he's standing and Yoongi is sitting. They look fantastic. So yeah, I got 2 out of 7. So that'd be 2 out of what? Take 2 off of 7, that's 5. So 5 guys left. Maybe sometime I'll get the other guys. The last box I gotta get open here. Oh, okay. So this is BTS J-Hope's Cold Brew Americano by, I don't know the brand, HY. And so it's like a sampler of cold brew. So this is something I can try. Maybe I'll drink it on film later. So it looks like it's good till July 13th of 2021 is what it says right there. But yeah, I'll keep the bottle. That's pretty neat. There's some directions. So it's cold brew. See, it's product from Korea. It says to store in a cool place away from high temperatures and direct sunlight. Keep refrigerated after opening, and so on. So yeah, there's that. Nice little bottle to add to a collection here. And got some stuff here. This is the sample of Limona, I think that's what it's called, and I think it's vitamins. And a MediHeal mask to put on my face. BTS MediHeal mask. It's tea tree is the kind I got. Care Solution essential mask, and I can't quite read what it says behind it, but it says special edition BTS. It tells you how to do it, put it on, and all that stuff. So those are the little sampler things. And I got a card. It says thank you. Oh, look. I got a Hobie card. Oh my gosh, isn't that cool? PC gift. Heather, thank you so much for your order. I hope you enjoy everything and the small gift from me. If you are happy with your purchase, please spare a moment and leave a review. It truly means a lot to me. Message me if you have any questions. Bora Hay. BTS Forever 7, Angela. And then follow her shop at Twitter. She's at that right there. But my gosh, look at this. I love the little gift from Angela. It's like a picture. So it's on real photo paper. That's what it looks like. But there's Hobie. He's so cute. All right. I'll leave him in here until I can put him in one of my binders. So that was my unboxing today. Got my Yoongi standee, my Hobie standee, and got this as a gift, the PC there, and I'll put Hobie here by his cold brew. So there we go. So this is everything I got together today. I am very happy with everything. They look incredible. Nice to have the cold brew drink. Now there's 6 other band members that have their faces on there. Then they have like a hot brew, which is in like a gold colored bottle. Then I got one of the MediHeals and Limona, which is some kind of vitamins. So yeah, I really appreciate and enjoy everything I got. Thanks for tuning in and checking this out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave comments down below. See you next time.